Good afternoon, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist with RJO Futures here in Chicago on October 9th. Bring you some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started. Energy's mostly under pressure here today. Crude prices, December crude oil, we're currently trading off about $2. We're down just around underneath the $85 mark here. So a lot of pressure here over the last three sessions. Brent's also weaker. That's off about $2. Nat gas is slightly firmer here today. That's still been in a downtrend the last several sessions. Taking a look at the heat, that's off about 5 cents. RBOB's off a little over 5.5 cents. So again, a lot of weakness in the complex as well. And a lot of the things affecting the market, let's kind of get into a little detail here. Well, we had EIA data come out yesterday. We saw a bigger than expected build of around 5 million barrels. And in so many of these posts, I've talked about total stockpiles. Take a look at our total stockpiles. In my opinion, we've got plenty of oil out there. The dollar, the US dollar, something I've mentioned also in prior posts, has really been strengthening. Now, the last couple of sessions, it's pulled back a little bit, but nonetheless here, we're still pushing up at a multi-year high. And that has the potential to affect commodity prices. As the dollar starts to strengthen, you can see commodity prices come under pressure. Take another example there. Look at the gold and the silver market as your metals have kind of pulled back here a little bit. So, that certainly has helped add into some pressure to it. The equities market has been coming under a lot of pressure here recently as well. Although when you really look at a daily chart, equities here over the last week have really gone nowhere, but the daily ranges have been expanding. So we have seen an increase in the volatility. We did get some weaker data out of the Eurozone, particularly out of Germany. Their month-over-month manufacturing data came in significantly weaker, suggesting that we could be starting to see a little bit of a slowdown there. So there are a lot of factors here that are affecting the market. Obviously, clearly taking a look at the charts, it's had mostly a negative impact on the prices, but I do think we're starting to really approach on the technical level some serious oversold territory. So there could be some potential here if the market does start to consolidate. There could be a potential in store here to play here for a short-term bounce. Big picture on oil, as many of you know, I still remain in my opinion here to be bearish on the oil, but I do think there will be some upside action to potentially take advantage of. So if you're interested in hearing about some ideas and some strategies, give me a call, shoot me an email, we can get into more detail. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.